Hi mga kapepi! New day, new toy! Little McDonald's Happy Meal. It's finally here in the Philippines. They only released 10 toys, so it's called Little McDonald's. My miniature heart is so happy. And you can scan the QR code. There's a QR code so we can play games. In the Philippines, we have the exact toy displayed outside the box. It's not a mystery. So let's open. Let's unbox our first Happy Meal. Oh, for our first box, we got the Happy Meal with robot. So nice. Okay, so these are the parts. Okay, let's try it. So this is so nice. Let's try our second box. Oh my, what is this? Nice. The toy number one, the booth, the tables and bench. Oh, it's nice. It has stickers. Oh, you can put it in the tables. So it's the pretend items above the table. So let's compare their sizes. As you can see, they are both miniatures, but the Happy Meal box is much bigger, but perfect for our playtime, of course. Let's try our third box. Oh my! The toy number two, the drive-thru miniature. So nice. Wow, the details are so great. Let's check. Oh my, there are stickers also. So nice. And of course, the card there's or the booklet with the collection. And stickers. And upon reading, you can replace the design and use the stickers to create your own drive-thru. So nice. Such attention to detail. Do you want to use it to redesign your drive-thru or just put it in your sticker notebook? So now let's compare their sizes. Oh, okay. Now let's try another box. And don't forget forget to scan the QR code for the game. We got, wow, the takeout bag, the toy number 10. The takeout bag, okay. So let's try to check the details. Wow, you can open it. So nice. Oh, there's something. Oh, stickers. I love stickers, by the way. Oh, nice. The stickers can stand on its own. It's like mini stickers of McDonald's logos and items. Another box. Wait, what is this? Of course, there's a booklet again. Wow, the golden Happy Meal box. Oh, nice. And wow, I think it's this stickers. Oh, yes, it is. Golden stickers. So let's compare the stickers from the takeout bag and the stickers from the golden Happy Meal box. They have similar designs, so which one do you like better? Well, I like them both. So nice and pretty. Now, let's compare the two Happy Meals from this collection. So far, the red Happy Meal is much bigger than the golden one. I love them both. I love the golden Happy Meal because I can put anything inside like stickers, papers, beads, or any small items that you have. You can safe keep it inside your golden Happy Meal. Alright, last boxes. Last two boxes. Wow, chicken nuggets. You cannot remove it. Safe for kids. Wow, the details. I love it. Even it's a miniature, the details are well made. Okay, last box to open. Let's see. Wait, what is this? the McDonald's restaurant. The restaurant miniature. So nice. Wow. It's the classic restaurant design. So nice. And of course, let's try to cover it. Let's put the roof of the restaurant. Wow. Wow. Okay. I think we've already opened 7 boxes. How about let's put them all together? Wow. We've got 7 out of 10 Happy Meal Little McDonald's here in the Philippines. So as you can see, not all of the blind, as you can see, not all of them have free stickers. Now let's compare the 3 Happy Meal or with the takeout bag. The first one is the red Happy Meal with a robot. The second Happy Meal is the golden one with free stickers. And the third one is the takeout bag with free stickers. The golden Happy Meal and takeout bag seem similar because they have small space inside that you can put your little things in. These two are our most favorite ones since you can use them as containers and figures at the same time. Wow, they're look at them. They're so looking great all together. Nice view. So here in the Philippines, it's it has 10 in the collection. So we got already 7. So look at them up close. Now it's time to play our favorite Hello Kitty.